Hello guys, Auto Jando here. So I am sitting inside a 2017 Honda Accord EXL. As you can see, this is the full option spec. If you can look to the left here, you will observe there's a light down there that is blinking. That light is called the check engine light. And what I'm experiencing currently, what the customer complaint was that when you start the car and it starts idling for a while, then it starts to misfire. So I've just picked up this car now. I'm driving it down to my workshop. In the next for you it might be 1 or 2 hours. In the next few days I will be ransacking the entire engine management system and engine control system to verify what the root cause is and what could potentially be the solution to this. I would keep you updated with this repair. Thank you.